How to find Amazon delivery pin 2025. Waiting for a package and suddenly needing a delivery pin can be confusing. Most people don't even know Amazon uses pins, but here's exactly how to find yours in 2025. Amazon assigns a delivery pin for high-value items to ensure secure delivery. This pin is required before the driver can hand over the package. To find it, open the Amazon app and sign in. Tap your orders and select the order that requires a pin. Scroll down to order details and look for the delivery pin section. You'll see a 6-digit number. That's the pin you give to the driver. You won't believe how many people miss it because they're looking in emails instead. Amazon also sends the pin by email and push notification on the day of delivery. If your phone battery dies, check your email inbox. Here's the surprising truth. The driver cannot leave the package without this pin. If you're not available, delivery may be delayed. Never share the pin with anyone except the driver at delivery time. It's tied directly to that order. If you can't find the pin, refresh the app or update it. The pin usually appears once the item is out for delivery. Now you know how to find your Amazon delivery pin quickly and stress-free. Subscribe for more Amazon tips that save you time and headaches.